Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see not unboxing, not tech video. This is a simple review video of one brand and two product, and the brand name is a Craft Griff, and the first product comes phone, camera and pocket 3 variety tripod. This one is a variety tripod. This one is a Mac stand magnetic phone tripod. This one is especially for the iPhone. You just simply put it here, your phone, and the phone is attached here. And look at this, the magnetic quality. I'm shaking here, but still my phone is not falling down. So this is very strong, but if you use like an Android phone, so some Android phone is not available like a magnetic feature, so that's why this tripod is a more helpful for the iPhone products only. The speciality of this tripod is like height is very big, around my height 171 or 175, in between the height of tripod. The quality is very nice and the product is also look like very rich. And one of the important point come here, this tripod are providing one of the remote using via Bluetooth. You can connect your phone, camera, DSLR and very easily capture the images. One of important point, you should charge this small remote via C types of charging cable. You should charge and use. 1.5 years ago I'm purchasing this product. I will show you where I'm purchasing and what is the price later in the video. Second tripod is a variety tripod. Here is also remote control is available via Bluetooth. You can very easily connect. This one is also you can charge this remote via C type charging cable. Both are same because of the brand. Here the lot of features are available of this product. You should remove this one first of all. I will show you, and you can fix here. If you have DSLR, very easily fix here. You have the light, so I have the light, so you can very easily fix here the light as well, like this. Such kind of product you should very easily fix here and use this tripod. That's why the tripod name is a variety tripod. You can fix a bunch of product here in the different location, and then accordingly you should use this one. Look at this here, I ordered the separate one, but if you use like this, the camera look like this. So that is the beauty of this product. It's really nice, amazing. Most important point, both product is the quality is very nice and very rich. And now I just simply fix here, and here you can fix any types of mobile, not specific require or iPhone or Android, or you have any types of smartphone devices, you can very easily fix here. Look at this here, quality as well. And here the small scroll is there, small button is this. You should release this one and then your camera look like this. So here the round ball is this, and you can very easily round up 360 degree and fix which direction, which location you want set your camera, like this, or like this. You decide, and accordingly you should fix the camera and then use. Both product is very nice. As a my personal experience, you have DSLR and some other smartphone devices, so I can say here you should go with variety tripod. And if you have iPhone and you just record via iPhone, so this product is one of the best. No need to remove anything, just simply put it here, your mobile, and your mobile is fixed. Now we can see what is the price and where is available this product. Let's check it out. Now we can see where is available this product, what is the price. So this is my Mac screen, and first product we can see here, phone, camera, pocket 3 variety tripod. This tripod price is 53.99 major US dollar. Little expensive, but lot of features available on this product. The height of this product is also similar kind of same as the previous, the different product. Here the product original website craftgriff.com, link is available on video description. Both of products link is available on video description. You should very easily click and purchase this one. And second product price is the 32.99. It means 33 major US dollar and 53 major US dollar. Which one you suitable, you decide, and after that purchase this product. Both product color variety here, and I use personally, especially you are recording some video as a day-to-day YouTuber point of view. If you're traveling somewhere, so both product is very helpful for you to capture the pictures or record the video. you decide which product you suitable and like, accordingly you should purchase. If you really like this review video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.